Good day, YouTube. Today I'm going to be taking the Mustang, driving on its own power. And I also recall this car's been run since '78, so yeah, it's facing a different way, but my grandmother and I, we just put it out to wash it because I'm allergic to pollen. So I just put it in a different way to match the Cobra. But anyways, let's see what it'll do. So it runs. Awesome. Let me just take this paper towel roll out of my way. So yeah, let's give it a drive. It does go into gear. Let me turn on my headlamps. Carb needs to be tuned. Carb's been rebuilt, and it's got new spark plug cables. But yeah, it needs to be tuned. But yeah, we're actually driving the 1967 Ford Mustang. My brake lights are working. My high beams work too. Yep. Here we go. Going and drive. First time in forever. That's a song, isn't it? It's super loud. I guess that's something I gotta get used to. It's a classic car, so hang on. I got a ditch here. Let me put it in reverse real quick. It's kind of hard to drive with one hand, but hey, it's fun. You know, it's not every day you drive a 1967 Mustang too, so. I will take it on the road one of these days, and I'll be sure to record that too. Ooh. Man, I didn't see that coming. At least it shows my frame is a bit stronger than I expected it to be. Let's pull it back. I gotta clean my driveway anyways, because I got oil stains I've been trying to get rid of for the longest time. But it's a loud. This is for a six-banger. This is pretty loud. So yeah, I'm just gonna park it here for now to clean up my mess. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this. This is the 67 in motion. So let me show you around real quick. It's actually out of my carport. Gotta love that sound. So yeah, I finally got it to move. And if, I know the owner's going to be watching this. I'm sure you weren't expecting that. Well, I'm saying that to the owner, but yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.